Alright y'all, we back. In this episode, we're going to check out three beautiful classics. A 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass convertible, a 1968 Chevy Chevelle convertible, and this beautiful 1972 Pontiac LeMans convertible. She has the 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8, and she's backed by a 3-speed automatic. Paint, in my opinion, is a solid 8. She has a little over 71,000 miles. Frame and floor pans are solid, lower doors are solid, interior is nice and clean. Let's check her out. I want y'all to drop down in the comments after y'all seen all three and tell me which one y'all taking home and why. The Olds Cutlass, the Chevy Chevelle, or this Pontiac LeMans. All of them convertibles. And we might even check out a Cadillac Eldorado. Just for y'all guys. Let's check out that interior. Nice and clean. Bucket seats. Console with floor mounted shifter. Back seat nice and clean. Convertible top functions as you should. Dash in good shape. As y'all can see, she reads a little over 71,000. Upper dash. Lower. Engine bay is nice and clean. And she has a beautiful Pontiac 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. Power brakes, power steering, AC. What more can you ask for? Let's go start her up. See how she sounds. She fire right up. If y'all want to see the more detailed video on her, go and visit Rolling Museum's YouTube channel. And make sure y'all go and check out rollingmuseums.com. I have over 100 detailed photos on her. We have financing available. Your dream car truck is one call away. She's running nice and strong. Damn, she sounds good. Y'all stay tuned for the next one. Alright, up next we have a clean 1968 Chevy Chevelle convertible. She has a small block 327 cubic inch V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. Frame and floor pans are solid. Interior is nice and clean. Paint is in driver quality condition. Let's check her out. Y'all drop down in the comments and tell me what's y'all favorite year Chevelle. I know most guys I ask go for like the 69, 70, or the 71, I think. Y'all drop down in the comments and let me know what's y'all favorite year and why. She's pretty clean, guys. Let's go check out that interior. I like the 327. They call them a screamer. They rev really high. Sport steering wheel, bucket seats, console with floor mounted shifter, back seat nice and clean, convertible top functions as it should. Let's check out that dash. Mileage reached a little over 72,000. Upper dash. Lower. Engine bay is nice and clean. And there she is, the 327 cubic inch 5.3 liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. Power brakes, power steering. Let's go start her up. Oh. Fire right up. Y'all stay tuned for the Cutlass. Y'all not gonna wanna miss that one. Last but not least, 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass convertible. She has the 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. She has a little over 75,000 miles. Paint in my opinion is a solid 8. She has a set of 24-inch artist wheels. Frame and floor pans are solid. Lower doors are solid. Interior is nice and clean. Let's check her out. So y'all drop down in the comments and tell me which one y'all taking home out the 3. The Chevelle, the LeMans, or the Cutlass. Me personally, I take home the Pontiac LeMans. The O's will be next, and then the Chevelle. Let's check out the interior. Has a steering wheel that matches the wheels, bucket seats, console with floor mounted T-shifter, seats nice and clean. Back seat in good condition. Convertible top functions as it should. Let's check out that dash. See if I can get y'all in there to see the miles. Upper dash. Lower. Engine bay is nice and clean. She has the O's 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. Power brakes, power steering. Let's start her up and see how that old sound. The Oldsmobile engine is my favorite sounding engine. Y'all go over and visit rollingmuseums.com. I have over 100 detailed photos on her. We have financing available. If y'all want to check out the more detailed videos on them, go over and visit Rolling Museum's YouTube channel. Thank y'all for watching. I really appreciate it. Y'all have a good one.